I'm Sarah with Custom Pilates and Yoga, and today I'm going to show you how to use 2 tennis balls to help relieve neck and shoulder and upper back tension. So we're going to come on down. You want to make sure you have enough space that you can roll. So for me, I'm going to start at the end of my mat. If you don't have a mat, just make sure that you don't have a table right here or wall or something. So give yourself plenty of space to travel. And then before I lay down, I'm going to show you where I'm going to put these tennis balls. So I've got 2 tennis balls, and I'm going to try to place one about right here. So it's right near the edge of my shoulder blade there, and it's going to be between the shoulder blade and the spine, probably closer toward that shoulder blade edge. And then over here is where I'm going to put the other one. I'm seeing my shoulder blade can move, and it kind of moves into that ball. Okay, so come onto your back. And I take the balls in one in each hand, shift, get one of your tennis balls placed, probably on the side that doesn't feel quite as bad, and then shift over to the other side. And then starting here, you want to pay attention, make sure you're not actually on your spine, make sure your tennis balls feel like they're level in space. So like they're in a straight line across your back. You don't want to have one up higher than the other. So first off, when we're up near the top here, I like to stretch by bringing my right ear toward my right shoulder. Now I'm still looking up at the ceiling here. You want to do your best. Don't let your chin tilt up to have you looking behind. Don't turn your head to the side. That's a different exercise entirely. So still facing the ceiling. And we go ear toward the shoulder. And when you do stretching with the tennis ball, you can hold for however long feels right for you. For the sake of this video, I'm going to go pretty quickly. But if you felt like you were really getting into a good spot there and you wanted to hang out longer, that's completely your prerogative. Let's go left ear toward left shoulder. And my goal is to hold and to do a couple breaths and to feel my muscles relax and sort of melt around the tennis ball. And then come back to center. Go ahead, turn your head to look right. And you've got the same goal here. Just let the muscles relax. Try to soften into the tennis balls, which is often easier said than done. Come on up to center, and then turn to look left. And bring it back up to center. Now we're going to lift our arms. So sometimes even just moving your arms straight toward the ceiling is going to get a reaction from you. You're going to feel some tight muscles, but just in case that didn't, we're going to reach the fingertips toward the ceiling. This is called scapular protraction, when we feel the shoulder blades separating away from each other. And then you're going to come back to neutral, and then you're going to do retraction and let the shoulder blades slide toward each other. And as you do, you'll feel your muscles really push into the tennis balls there. And then come back to neutral. Inhale, lift, separate. Come back to neutral. Exhale, slide. And back to neutral. Inhale, lift. We'll just do one more of these. Neutral, and exhale, slide, and back to neutral. Very good. Now your arms come by your sides. You're going to press into the palms of your hands and the soles of your feet and shift about an inch, maybe half an inch. If you're super tight, if you're really trying to do like a nice therapeutic rolling for yourself, the shorter distance that you move will help you work into more areas. Okay, so here we are, same exercises. Right ear toward the right shoulder. And when you do this, make sure, send energy through your left fingers. Sometimes when we're really tight, that right ear moves toward the right shoulder and that left shoulder just slides up toward the left ear. Come on back to center. And then over to the left. Make sure shoulders away from the ears. And come back to center. Turn to look right. And center. And turn to look left. And center. Arms come up, palms face each other. Inhale, lift the arms toward the ceiling. Exhale, pass through neutral, slide the shoulder blades toward each other. Inhale, lift and separate. Exhale, pass through neutral and slide. Inhale, lift and separate. Exhale, pass through neutral, slide. And again, inhale, lift and separate. Exhale, pass through neutral, slide. Good. Now, you can do this for the whole area of where you can feel your shoulder blades. So if I were doing this as a rolling session for myself, I would definitely move on to at least one more spot, if not a couple more. But for today, and for this video, I think that's good. Remember, when you do rolling, if you find a spot that feels like the bullseye of a target, shift yourself so that you move off of that spot. Often when we hit right on a painful spot, the body will not relax into it. Instead, it'll tense up and get tighter. So if you ever come across one of those spots that is just really, really painful, that is not your spot for today. Just move on to a different spot and you'll still get lots of benefit. You'll still be able to feel your neck and your upper back open up, but you don't want to really kind of force the issue when you find one of those tough spots. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for more information on this and other ways you can use tennis balls to help yourself feel better, come on out to my website, www.custompilatesandyoga.com. Thank you.